Here we have a 2020 Sea Ray 250 SDX listing here at MarineMax Clearwater in the showroom on site. Easy to stop in and take a quick peek at. Only 286 hours on the Merc 300. This boat's a Sea Ray Blue with a bimini top extended package, so you can run with maximum shade coverage with that second bimini to cover the folks in the back, or you can remove it completely. This boat is available, does have a trailer available with it at an additional cost. The boat has fairly fresh bottom paint as well. Seadeck that was done just last year, all throughout the cockpit. Beautiful dune upholstery in excellent shape. The 250, if you remember, has this piece that slides further back when it's time to run, but when you are in the forward position, it is just a massive platform for hanging out. Give you a shot at nice and how compact that bimini setup is. Bolsters or backrests for the captain and co-pilot seat. Switch position depending on if it's time to lounge in the shade or run. We have a 9-inch Simrad digital dash, flush mounted, Fusion audio. 25's got this really spacious head area. Storage all throughout here, obviously in the massive volume, behind that netting, and then under multiple compartments. So plenty of headroom getting in and out of here. Side through, walk to the front. Again, 2020, for the last year and a half, this boat has been kept in a high and dry barn, not in the water. So it shows excellent as far as the upholstery and just the overall condition of the boat. It was just freshly detailed. Got another cooler up here. Very little signs of wear on this boat. Tons of room for the family. We're Coast Guard rated for 14. And again, the trailer is available if needed and not included in the pricing currently. So you don't have to deal with it if you don't want it, but if you need it, it's available.